Okay, so this is what my workspace looks like right now. So today, all of these items have to be counted. Then they have to be price tagged. Then they also, some of them can't stay in the original packaging, like these gibbets. They're sold individually, so they will come out of here and go into a separate container. So those have to get counted. The bears, they're sold individually, so those will have to get a price tag on those as well. All of these little clips like this, they are sold individually, so they actually have to get taken out of that. I just had the little plastic thingies I was going to put them in. Now I don't see where I put them because there's so much crap everywhere. But I just had them. Where did I put them? Now I got to find them. But anyway, so these I'll just have to take out of there because they're already individually wrapped. But I will have to put a price tag on it. I'm debating on if I'm just going to leave these out of packaging or if I need to put them in something. The sunglasses, they're good the way they are, and I'll probably just price tag them. The stickers will come out of here and they all go into like a sticker bin so people can sort through them. Gibbets, these are all little kids lip glosses. There's more of these. I have to find the box that they are in. These are lip glosses, which are going to be new. There's more of these. I've got to find the boxes that they are in. These get sold separately, and so do these. I've got to count them and add them into my inventory. All of that stuff back there, I've got to go through that box count to make sure they're all in there like they're supposed to be. And I have to add it to my inventory. Then this here has to get counted and added into my inventory. But also, I sell these separately so they won't stay in here. And if you listen, something sounds broken. So I'm going to have to get all of the broken ones, find out how much they are, and try and get my money back for them. But as you can see, like, there are a lot of clips because we sell a lot of clips. Like, we go through clips like there's nobody's business. So a new thing that we're going to be doing is lapels too. So those they will actually come out of this packaging because I'm going to get a magnetic board for those to go on. But I'm not going to start selling these yet because I need to find a board to place them on. So I'm still looking for that. And once I find that, I'm going to order more in different kinds. But that's it. But yeah, we go through the butterflies like it's nobody's business. So that's why you see so many clips, because that's one of our #1 sellers. But every week I have more items coming in, and then I try, as I'm reordering some of the things that we already sell, I'm also trying to add things that we don't currently sell. So like these are all sunglasses, these are all stickers, like it's just so much to go through. So that is what my day looks like, going through all of this, figuring out what is what, making sure we got everything that we ordered. And yeah, that's my life. Yeah, that's been my life for a little while now. But I do plan on ordering some new items. I promise you guys, I'm so working on getting this website up and running for you guys. But there's no right or wrong answers. Very good. It may a little bit, but not too much. So, gotta go. Bye. Okay, so I was doing a video earlier. I was doing a video earlier about how I needed to go back and retag and reprice all of this, and how some things were going into individual packaging like this. I found them underneath all the madness. The new packaging that I'm going to put them in was underneath all of that stuff. But yeah, so like I was saying, these, who's trying to call me while I'm trying to do a video, swipe up. These will go into here because we sell those individually and not as a pack. Our vendor used to send them to us packaged individually, but recently they've been coming in a packaging system like this. So we have to go behind it and rebag it. So that's what we're doing today. Bye. Update on my progress thus far. So these over here, I have actually got into bags. There's a lot of them. And then these over here, I have actually went ahead and sealed them up all the way. They just need price tags on them. But that's where we've gotten so far. If I don't finish it, it's cool, but like these colors, this color, they are new colors, so I want to make sure that I hurry up and get those price tags so that they can go out on the day of the market. And this little fella right here, this little black one right here, hot commodity, goes like whoop, sells quick. So I definitely want to make sure that I get all of these price tagged and into their baggies so that on the day of the market, they can be sold. Anything that doesn't get wrapped over the course of the week, I'm not worried about it because I'll do it at the market when it's slow. But yeah, gotta go. Right. Bye. So I'm in here working my heart off and I smelled something burning and it was the lights. It went out and decided to burn on its way out. So now I have a light here and no light here. So let's go to Amazon. So it smells like burnt plastic in here because the light just went out, hence why it is dark on this side of the table. But I just wanted to say, as I was packing up my inventory, I realized that we got a new color of butterflies in. Woohoo! I like this color. It's giving purple. It's giving mauve. It's giving butterfly clip. Now before, I didn't... Do you hear my daughter in the background? She's having too much fun on her laptop. But she's a gamer. I didn't used to package these in these bags before. I used to just leave them out in the open on like the merchandising tables. But people, I noticed... they were coming up missing, so people were stealing them. So I decided to put them into these baggies because then I can hear it when you think you're picking them up. Okay? So, yeah. That's okay. But in other news, I just wanted to say these clips are new. They will be available at the market this weekend. Also, thank you to this vendor because they actually came packaged. So I don't have to package them. All I have to do is put the prices on them. But I'm still working on this mess. Bye. Look at that. Dum, dum, dum. It is broken. So, just like my nail has broken. And yeah. I need to contact the vendor so that I can get my money back because I cannot sell that. So we're going to take a video of that and I'm going to send it to the vendor and they are going to reimburse me with a credit. Okay? Bye. Okay, back again. Wanted to show you these little cutie pies. Hair claws. These will be available at the market. Online is coming soon, I promise. It's just so much stuff that I have to get done. But if you see something in one of my videos that you really want, and because my website is down right now for reconstruction, all you have to do is hit me in my DMs, and then I can send you a link for you to purchase, and I will ship it to you. Aren't these so cute? Do you hear my kid in the background? She is a gamer. She is on her laptop gaming, having too much fun. Wish I could join her. No, but I love to hear that. All right, got to get back to work. Bye. New color alerts. Didn't have this color before, and now we do. Will be available at the market. See you there this weekend. Thank you guys for watching my show. Don't forget we're doing giveaways for every 50 subscribers. We do a small giveaway, and once we reach 100, then we do a big giveaway. How to win? Look down in the description of the bio of this video. Details are there, and may the odds forever be in your favor. I hope you win. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.